Get her dead. Hi, Al. It's a special hi, you know. Nice to see you. I think I saw that on the highway Nice to meet you. Uh-oh. Find back here. Find her and grinder. He's done. Okay, 27's done. Let's find it here. Oh, don't worry. We can buff that out. You can buff that out. Ah, you can do her. Oh, 13 sitting down for the count. Oh, a bunch of crunch. Oh, he's hooked up. He's hooked up. He's hooked up. 13 may be done. I think he waved it off. 13's done. 3's trying to get unhooked there. 144. Scooching around. Hey, love tap. Oh, nice to meet you. All right, 13's done. 3 still trying. She's trying. Yeah, baby. There you go. Now you're loose. There you go. There, we're back in action. Way to go. As the car says on the side, in memory of Tom Smith and the Smith family. Awesome. Come on, Crashley. Where's Crashley's fans? Where are you? Make some noise, Crashley. Woo-hoo. Woo. 3, 2, 1, get her done. A little love tap. Don't you know? How you doing? Thanks for coming out. And they're up. Rabbits go where they stop moving. Where's the first? Oh! Yeah! That's better. Oh, keep it going. Give a little tap there. Bazinga. There we go. A little leaking. Are you done? Number 44 is done. 44 is done. We're down to 3 cars. Down to 3 cars now. It sounds like my neighbor on a Saturday morning. Oh, that looked good. Good one. Don't worry, we have duct tape. We can fix that. We can fix that. Red, green, be proud with your duct tape. Ooh. No parallel parking. This is street parking rules. Oh, God. Nice little clip off the side. That's good. There we go. Ooh. You can buff that out. You can buff that out. It's okay. Here's the pitch. Oh, just outside. Yeah! Oh. Don't worry, you can put a little stop leak in that. That'll take care of that. That's good. Oh, yeah! WWE SmackDown. Revenge. Woo! Watch the driver's door. Oh, he's smoking. Trying to find a gear. Yeah! There you go. Maybe, could be. No, lights off. Okay, he's done. 94 is done. Down to 2 drivers. 2 drivers. He's done. 94 is done. We're done. Yeah. All right, he's declaring it. Who's going to take it? They're both taking second. Both are taking second. That's going to take first. Number 99.